Tonight, a consumer alert. A Barrington couple's pets died after they believe their gas oven is to blame.
Consumer reporter Susan Hogan poured through complaints nationwide and found dozens of cases where high levels of carbon monoxide were emitted from some gas ovens, enough to set off alarms.
So what does the Consumer Product Safety Commission say about this? Susan joins us now with more on what she's found. It's a story you're going to see only on Eyewitness News.
We found one complaint after another from consumers extremely concerned about their gas ranges emitting high levels of carbon monoxide. Many of these complaints detailing similar experiences with this silent killer. Without giving it a second thought, we turn on the gas oven or stove almost every day. But we never expect this routine act could be dangerous, even deadly. According to the Consumer Product Safety Commission, carbon monoxide levels in a home above 70 can cause symptoms, including headaches, fever, and nausea. And sustained CO levels above 150 can cause disorientation, unconsciousness,